Hey guys, it's David from 12 Volt Technologies. We bring you into the middle of this one a little bit, but we thought you might want to come along.
Okay, got the radio out, got the wiring fished out, got our microphone in relatively the right spot. Now we can get started on the dash cam.
This is a husband and wife combo job where they're both getting new Alpine touchscreen radios and front and rear dash cameras. In this 2005 Ford Excursion, unfortunately we didn't kick on the camera in time to capture the disassembly, but these Fords are pretty straightforward. The main bezel with the radio pulls straight out towards you. Her husband's 2004 Ford F250 is exactly the same. For the cameras on this one, we decided to go with the Alpine DVR C320R, which works as a standalone unit and can also be directly controlled with a compatible Alpine head unit, as you'll see here. These trucks both had a bit of added complexity since they had pre-existing aftermarket Pioneer stereos. We had to get a bit creative to work around the last installer's wiring.
Did you get that pillar apart? Okay. Have you checked to make sure that the windshield doesn't have tint on it?
After we sort out the rear camera cable run through the vehicle, we can get the head units ready to go in the dash and perform a functionality test before we do final assembly. Both of these trucks got an Alpine ILX 507, which is a digital media receiver with no disk drive, hence the L-shaped chassis. Let's kick this system on and make sure everything works. You can see I tap on the dash camera button in the lower right-hand side of the screen to start viewing the live footage from the front and rear cameras.
All right, we got front and rear cameras looking good. Align the red line with the horizon. Okay, we got a ways to go on that.
These cameras have some advanced driver's assistance features that require calibrating the cameras to ensure that they work to the best of their ability. You can see here we've jumped over to the F250 and are taking a look at the equipment that we've installed. This truck was also in need of some new front door speakers as the old ones were damaged, so we installed a new set of Alpine S series. You can get a good look at what the front dash camera footage looks like. See us operating the menus and controlling the camera directly. And viewing live footage from the front and rear cameras on the display. If you guys are in the San Diego area and you're interested in getting some work done, please don't hesitate to reach out. Just jump on the website and fill out the contact us page.